So now we will discuss this question that cigarette smoking is injurious to health. So you might have seen the cigarette boxes which contains the cigarette. It is also written on those boxes. So what is the issue that it is that much dangerous? So let's discuss about this thing that cigarette smoking is injurious to health because it contains harmful chemicals like nicotine, tar and carbon monoxide, so which damage the lungs and other organs. Okay, so one by one we will discuss. First one is the smoking increases the risk of developing the serious diseases such as the lung cancer and the heart diseases. It can be the heart attacks, right? Second, next is the stroke. So what is stroke now? It is the damage to the brain from the interruption of its blood supply. So the next, that it also causes the chronic respiratory diseases or conditions like the bronchitis and the emphysema. Okay, so what is this bronchitis? Bronchitis is the inflammation of the lining of bronchial tubes which carry air to and from the lungs, right? And what is emphysema? It is the disorder which affects the alveoli of the lungs. So alveoli are the tiny sacs where the exchange of gases takes place in the lungs, right? So the next point is smoking weakens the immune system, making the body more vulnerable of to infections, right? So like our immune system gets very weakened and we are able to attract the more diseases towards like our body is attracting more infections and we get ill very frequently, right? So the next point is long term exposure to cigarette smoke can also harm non-smokers. So don't think if you don't smoke, if you don't do the smoking or you don't take the cigarettes, you can also, like, without smoking you can also become the second hand smokers. How? Because if the person who is standing nearby you and that person is continuously or every day you are meeting that person and you're staying with that person and that person is continuously doing smoking, so that can also harm the non-smokers through second hand smoke, so which increases their risk of similar health issues. So therefore avoiding smoking is essential to maintaining the good health. So I hope now you have understood each and everything. Thank you.